Last week, sorry if I get this on you. Last week, I submitted an application for a business accelerator called the Ozark Retail Accelerator. Yeah, what's your presentation this Friday about?
So it's like in English we had to choose like our own problem and like how it like create awareness for it.
Yeah.
And mine is about like beauty standards pushing people to like harm themselves. Like mine is when beauty hurts, tanning beds. So I go to the tanning beds. Yeah. And so
Kate, that's not good for you.
I know, girl.
Look, in 2026, it is not the move to be beefing over boys.
Facts. Be a girl's girl.
Yes, I agree. Pick out a TikTok dance to do.
So stay tuned.
Oh my God, my kids are gonna be so embarrassed, but that's okay. That's okay. Embrace the cringe. Also, the other thing about doing a TikTok dance that I think is really important and related to crafting is just like with crafting, learning how to do a TikTok dance, it takes a lot of practice.
A lot of fails.
Yes, a lot of fails. So you got to be comfortable with messing up and know that you're just continuing to fail up because you're getting better every time you make mistakes. And then to like learn how to deal with frustration and to not take it personally when you mess up because that's just all part of the process. And also, just like doing TikTok dances, it's more fun with other people. The other thing where TikTok dances are similar to crafts is once you know how to do it, you can whip it out anytime.
Yeah,
Randomly in the streets. Okay.
She gonna call me?
Okay. And then you also want to make sure you don't pull too tight. Like you don't want to pull it so tight that the canvas buckles, but like your stitches should be a little puffy.
Okay.
And so that's 6-2. So we're going to go here. Okay, and then now this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on each this one, so I'm going to make sure that the tail is underneath that. Does that make sense? And then I'm going to come up in this same spot. And so we know this one's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. So then just work like that.
Okay.
So I just did 5. So you got, hold on, we got quite a bit more 5s. So you can just kind of work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got 7 more 5 stitches.
Okay.
The other thing I was telling Dylan yesterday is I think it's okay to show people that you only have to do a little bit of this at a time. It's kind of like working out. Like just consistently small changes add up.
It's satisfying. I scheduled my Violet's appointment for prom, and I'm so excited. It's my dress appointment.
Yeah.
And I don't know like what color I want to do. I want to do like either pink or yellow, I think. But I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I love both colors.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Chemo.
Here, yeah. You know what you can do is you can either, so there's a couple different ways. So you can just go reverse it and just come back through like that.
Oh, wow.
So basically I'm just reversing, undoing what I just did. Okay, so we'll go back here. this point, like you could pull on your needle a little bit so that you can shorten up that little tail end. Yeah, that's good. You don't want to shorten it too much because then it'll slip out too easy.
Okay.
When you get down to like where you have like that much tail left,
Okay.
I'm going to show you what to do to end off that piece.
Okay.
So when you've got about like 4 to 5 inches left on your tail, you want to make sure you're ending it on the back side, and then you're just gonna like run your needle behind these stitches like that. And then I'm gonna run it back there. And that's just to secure the little tail. And I don't actually trim these until the very end. That'll just make sure it doesn't move. And we love the back, even though she's messy. We don't worry about the back being messy, okay? But I definitely, Kate, you need to quit that tanning bed.
We'll see. It's just so relaxing.
I know. Don't get scared. We gotta find something else for you to do.
But like fake tan makes you look so orange. Like last year,
Yeah.
bro, fake tan was my everything, and I would pull up to school looking like an Oompa Loompa. Like I would be bright orange, and like everyone would flame me too. And I was like, so.
Oh my God.